Amit Malviya's most compelling argument is that the Pegasus matter is already sub judice. It's being heard by a Supreme Court bench. Many opposition politicians in their capacity as senior advocates are involved in that case already. Therefore, if there is to be a probe or if malafide is found, the Supreme Court will in any case act against the Modi government. Why then not have a discussion
Rahul,
on the farmers issue or on price rise? That matter was in court already.
Pegasus is about hacking and not tapping, number one. So very smartly, friends in the BJP try and twist the words. It's about hacking. What did the minister stand and say in the parliament? No illegal tapping is done. So we are not even discussing tapping. We are talking about hacking. Ministry of Defense says we haven't done it. Rajnath ji ne apne aap ko to bacha liya. What about Ministry of Finance? What about Ministry of Home Affairs? What about NSA? What about the increase in budget of NSCS? 300%. These are questions. For the Prime Minister, it was very simple to stand up and say, no, our government, not a single agency of my government has bought Pegasus. Full stop, period. End it. Why did he do it? Now, number two, the standing committee was being disrupted. For the first time, officers were physically stopped from going to the standing committee meetings. Again, a first in 70 years. आपको क्या डर है? क्या छिपाना चाहते हो Pegasus? You are willing to sacrifice an entire session, but Pegasus का P word भी नहीं आना चाहिए. Supreme Court, if there is, it is in the Supreme Court. Does that mean the Parliament cannot discuss it? Does that mean the Prime Minister on the floor of the Parliament cannot stand up and say that no?
Pawan Khera making the point that the two are not linked, that the Supreme Court proceedings can continue. There could have been a discussion in Parliament, and all that the opposition wanted to hear was the government say, no, we never bought Pegasus, we don't use it, we don't hack into people's phones.
Look, Rahul, I just heard the Congress spokesperson said कि finance ministry भी खड़े होके statement दे देती. If this is their understanding of the agencies and the ministries which go about using such technologies, then I am quite amused that cultural ministry को नहीं बोला statement देने के लिए, road surface transport को भी बोल देते भाई आप भी statement दे दो. ऐसे करते करते सरकार के जितने मंत्रालय हैं वो कांग्रेस पार्टी और ऑपोजिशन की कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियस को assuage करने के लिए सब एक एक करके हर रोज स्टेटमेंट देते, पार्लियामेंट डिसरप्ट हो जाता और मॉनसून सेशन वॉश आउट हो जाता. The truth of the matter is that they are not interested in letting the house work. The truth of the matter is they are not interested in discussing issues that matter.
Okay.
Today, if any responsible opposition, and I'm sure they have a few MPs in parliament and they also have constituencies to answer to, they would have asked this government कि COVID management के लिए आप क्या कर रहे हैं? They would have asked कि जो farm laws पे पिछले 6-7 महीने से सरकार किसानों के साथ चर्चा कर रही है उसका आउटकम क्या है. पर राहुल गांधी क्या करते हैं, थिएटर पे बैठ के आ जाते हैं ट्रैक्टर पे और थिएट्रिक्स करते हैं. अरे भाई, अगर आपके नेता सिर्फ फोटो ऑप्स में यकीन रखते हैं और चर्चा में नहीं, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी खड़े होकर 10 मिनट का भाषण तो दे नहीं सकते, चर्चा क्या करेंगे. आपने देखा राज्यसभा में बाजवा खड़े होकर रूल बुक फेंक रहे हैं, डिस्कशन कर नहीं सकते. अगर राज्यसभा में ऑपोजिशन की यह हालत है कि ये चर्चा नहीं कर सकते, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि इनकी मंशा क्या है.